without blowing their account. Why does the price move? Fundamental analysis tells us the why. Interest rates. If the U.S. Fed raises rates, the dollar becomes a high-yield asset and everyone wants to buy it. Inflation. High inflation usually weakens a currency's purchasing power. Geopolitics. Elections or wars can send investors fleeing to safe haven currencies like the USD or JPY. Technical analysis is the win. We assume the trend is your friend. Moving averages. MA smooths out the noise to show the trend direction. RSI tells you if the market is overbought, too expensive, or oversold, too cheap. Fibonacci. Mathematical levels where the price loves to reverse. Candlesticks. The visual story of the fight between buyers and sellers. Don't forget the market mood. Sentiment analysis is about crowd psychology. COD report. See what the institutional big money is actually doing. Retail sentiment. If 90% of retail traders are long, the pros might be getting ready to short the market and take their money. Don't follow the herd into a trap. How do you want to play the game? Scalping. In and out in seconds or minutes. High energy, high stress. Day trading. You're flat by market close. No overnight nightmares. Swing trading. Catching the trend for days or weeks. Position trading. The long-term macro play. Months of holding. Algorithmic. Using Python or MQL4 to let the robots trade while you sleep. Choose what fits your personality. Manage your risk. All right, fam, let's talk scalping. This is for the adrenaline junkies. Scalping is about making dozens of lightning-fast trades a day to catch tiny price movements. You're in and out in seconds or minutes. The tools. We use Bollinger Bands to see volatility limits and RSI to spot when the market is overtired. You need a tight stop loss, 3 to 5 pips, because if you're wrong, you need to get out fast before the loss grows. Next is day trading. This is the sweet spot. You open and close everything within the same day. No overnight stress. The goal. Capitalize on daily news and volatility. Risk control. Never risk more than 1% of your capital per trade. If you hit a 2 to 3% loss for the day, walk away. The market isn't going anywhere, but your money will if you revenge trade. For those with a day job or a busy life, swing trading is your best friend. We aren't looking at 1-minute charts. We're looking at daily or 4-hour charts. The game. You hold trades for days or even weeks to catch a massive swing in price. The tool. MACD helps us confirm if the momentum is actually shifting before we jump in. Pro tip, set wider stops. Since you're holding longer, you need to give the price room to breathe through the noise.